What if I told you the secret to success isn't luck or talent, but the habits you follow every single day? Yes, the difference between an ordinary life and an extraordinary one lies in what you repeatedly do. Are you ready to uncover the 10 habits that the world's most successful people swear by? Stay with me till the end. You might just find the key to your own breakthrough. Number 1. The likes of Elon Musk and Tim Cook swear by this. Waking up early gives you quiet, undistracted hours to focus on what matters most. Imagine having a head start every single day while the world is still asleep. Number 2. Before the day starts, successful people plan it. Writing down clear goals helps them stay on track. When you know your purpose for the day, you waste no time wandering aimlessly. Number 3. This might seem simple, but gratitude rewires the brain. Successful people reflect on what they're thankful for every morning. It's their way of staying grounded and focused on the positives. Number 4. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. Warren Buffett, over 500 pages a day. Reading expands your knowledge, sharpens your mind, and keeps you ahead of the game. Ask yourself, what are you feeding your brain today? Number 5. From Mark Zuckerberg's daily runs to Richard Branson's kite surfing sessions, physical activity is a non-negotiable. Exercise energizes the body and clears the mind. If you don't make time for fitness, you'll make time for illness. Number 6. Failures aren't setbacks. They're lessons. Highly successful people view challenges as opportunities. Think of Oprah Winfrey. She turned every obstacle into a stepping stone. What's stopping you from doing the same? Number 7. Distractions are the enemy of greatness. The top achievers carve out uninterrupted time blocks to work on their priorities. Turn off those notifications and see the magic happen. Number 8. Networking isn't just about business cards. It's about meaningful relationships. Successful people understand that who you know can open doors you didn't know existed. Number 9. Daily reflection helps you evaluate what's working and what isn't. Adding meditation to the mix calms the mind and boosts clarity. Think of this as recharging your mental battery. Number 10. Success isn't a destination, it's a journey. Whether it's learning a new skill or attending workshops, growth is a daily ritual for the best in the game. Now, here's the real question. Which of these habits are you willing to adopt today? Remember, small changes lead to big results. Let us know in the comments. What's your favorite habit and why? If you want more life-changing insights like these, subscribe to Motivation Life 2.0. Your journey to greatness starts now.